Hello guys, Paul is best for UK. I'm going to be looking at Viz on the Commodore 64 today. Do we all remember Viz? He's one of their comics. So if I can get it in the camera. Yeah, basically an adult based comic with stuff in it. Very adult themed, like Roger Melly, the man on the telly. Little old man. We find Hitler's wank max. Yeah, you can definitely tell it's adult. Okay, so yeah, this particular comic is dated. I can't see the date actually, but it's very old. 1992. Viz number 55, August/September 92. So yeah, so anyway, so I'm going to be looking at Viz, the game, on the Commodore 64. This is one of the few Commodore 64 games. I'll just have a cup of coffee first. Lovely. One of the very few Commodore 64 games that's actually got swear words in it, believe it or not. And I enjoy it, I do. I think it's a brilliant game. I don't think it received that much praise back in the day. But anyway, so let's make sure the SD card's in with the game on. I love this little reader I got. So it's load, file browser. And we'll find the game and then I'll put it on and then we'll load it up for you. Okay. Just zoom in a bit so you can see the screen a bit better. Here we go. So I've got work in a bit, so this is not going to be a too long a video. It's early in the morning. It's like, what time is it? It's 9:09 on Friday, and that's not Friday the 13th. That's the temperature. Apparently it's 13 degrees Celsius in this room at the moment. It's the 10th of January 2013. Right, let's start this game. There it is, Viz. Start the game. Good volume on it so you can hear. Now basically this is a multi-load game. Right, here we go. So this is Viz. I love the music on this. The music's brilliant. You'll see. I'm just going to load up the first level. If you haven't already and you have got a Commodore 64, I highly recommend you get one of these SD card readers. So basically you're presented with a player selection screen. You can be him or him. I'll be him first, I'll do a morning order. So, beef or bacon, good old beef or bacon, cater out of Viz. Joystick's import 2 on this one. On this video, as usual, I'm going to be using my, if it focuses, Cheetah 125. Anyway, basically, you gotta try and do it proper. So up. Have some of that, have some of that, have some of that, have some of that. It's not easy. You go like down for the down ones, up for the up ones, and every time you get hit you lose them all. In the end I got one. Okay. But this is Yeah, it used to give you hints and tips for real life. Little ones like save time when listening to long playing records by setting the speed to 45 RPM. Yeah. We all used to do that with our record players, put it on the faster speed than the record was designed for to make it sound more like the Chipmunks. So yes, sorry about the glare and focusing issues. The camcorder isn't the best one in the world. It's having trouble getting that. All it says is loading, please wait. Cup of coffee. Sorry guys, I'm still waking up. I've not long been up. Start working in about an hour or two. And then it's the weekend. Not work on Saturdays. Not this week. My favourite part of the game there. The race. Good morning and welcome to introducing lane 1, Johnny Fart Pants. I love the names. I love the music. With a bacon. Now basically it's a running race and many obstacles are there. It's not easy as well, trust me. I haven't got first yet, but we'll try again. Right, I'm off /. So I'm the middle one, as you can see. Try and get first. Have a attempt to get me. Ah! Bombs away. Just love the music. Oh shit. I'm down the bottom there. Watch out for the logs. There, I'm first. There's the part bit, the gamekeeper comes to get you. You fucking fat bastard. See what I mean about swearing? Can't you read the fucking signs? Ouch! He always seems to get me. That's going to cost me valuable time, because as you can see they're getting away now. Fucking magnet! Oh no, I've lost this race. Oh no, I've definitely lost it. Oh you fuck. So I'll come last. That wasn't too good. See what I mean? It's not easy. That park keeper gets me most of the time. You have crap and hence you have failed to qualify. We're going to load them. Don't have to insert this one or anything because it's all done on the disk image for the SD card, so it's all automated. Loud back up. Go back to the this time I'm going to be Johnny Fart Pants. I'm going to be Johnny Fart Pants this time, as you can see. I'll turn that down a little bit because it comes out. So basically you got to waggle stick left to right. Yeah, 7. That's what I'm talking about. I had to do this. Probably the premature death of most joysticks when they had games like that. Have you ever bought something you didn't like or don't want? Send it to me, I'll have it. Oh, fair enough. It's fair enough, I suppose. And now we're back to the race. I think the more points you get on that mini game at the start, the better you can be at the race. So 7 should give me an advantage now. We'll try it. Like I said, I've only ever got second, I've never got first place on this race, but who knows, we'll give it a good bash. It's hard. Just wait for it to load up here. I believe the comic's still going, in fact, even today. I think I saw one in Ulster. Oh, has any of you guys noticed them fish and chips are back on the shelves? Remember them fish and chip like style crisp biscuit things that they used to have in the 90s? They're back. Saw them in Ulster. Good morning and welcome to today's racing from whatever that says. So I'm bottom this time. Here comes some. I got the power. Ah! Here comes that parrot again. Dropping bombs. What is that, turds or something? Oh, you fuck. No. Oh no! The thing is with this race, you've just got to try and avoid everything, because if you get hit once, you're basically almost guaranteed loss. Well, here I am, I'm catching up. Don't fall. Yes, I'm second again. You need to get first, so you must get first. Anything other than first is not good enough. He seems to be able to run faster than me. Yes, there we go. Come on. You certainly catched up in there. Oh no! I was doing so well as well. Oh, you. Shit. I done it again. Better, second, still not good enough. So Johnny Fartpants come last. No, Johnny Fartpants come second. You have crap and hence failed to qualify. Well, I just love this music. The graphics aren't that bad, to be fair. I think it did. I can't remember exactly, but I think it did receive poor reviews. Maybe I'm wrong, someone might correct me on that, but back in the day, as a kid, I had a censored demo of the race on a magazine cover tape. I think it was censored, because obviously the kids were going to have the magazines, like the Commodore format and the Zap 64. Last but not least, it's Buster Gonard. Or Gonad. I'll have a look in the comic at the end of the video, see if I can find any of the characters that's on this game. So basically, I haven't saw this one yet, what you have to do. I'm not sure what you have to do. I don't know what you have to do. Well, getting naught so far. I don't know what you have to do. All it does is stop the conveyor. I can't. Oh well. I did well on that one. 0-0. I find that an old cornflakes packet filled with pebbles makes an excellent doorstep. Stop. Okay, fair enough. We'll get our empty cornflake packets and put pebbles in them and have them as doorsteps. Nice handy tip there from the Viz game. I'll have to have a look, see if this game appeared on the other formats like the Spectrum and Amstrad CPC. I presume it did. And if it did, I'll have to have a look at them as well as a review later on. But today's is Commodore 64. You like my cup? Can't get it in shot, can I? Break time. Press start to begin. And on the other side, break over. Enter credits to continue. Girlfriend bought me that a while back. She buys me a lot of mugs. I'll marry her one somewhere, and yeah, I've got a few. Here we go again. This time on Buster Garnard. So Johnny Fourpants is up the top line. Biffa Bacon's in the middle lane. And last but not least is me in lane 3, Buster Garnard. I look absolutely beautiful. Right. Ah! He comes in this menace again. First. Right, we're gonna go for it now. Try not to hit any obstacles whatsoever. Oh, and I've done it already. Ouch! Oh my god. Okay, I'm doing even worse than last time now. Watch out for the trees, watch out for everything, everything's out there to get you. Ah! Sorry, I'm catching up with Biffa Bacon, here we go. Oh, no, not the bridge. Oh, careful. Yes, yes, there we go. I'm still not first. Need to get first. Ah! Ah! Oh, you bitch. I was almost at him then as well. Okay, onto the park. Bloody annoying gamekeeper. What the fuck are you doing? Swearing in a game on the 8-bit. Priceless. Oh no. He's gonna get me as well now. Love the music. One of the nice Commodore 64 games where you've got music and sound effects at the same time. Time out. Right, then I did really crap then. And that's V's on the Commodore 64. Sure, it's only a short review, but like I say, I've got to get ready for work and all that. But yeah, I'm going to give Viz on the Commodore 64 a 9 out of 10 because I think it's absolutely fantastic. Got great playability and it keeps you going for hours. And the graphics are good, the music's good, the presentation's good. I'm not sure what the tape version, cassette version's like because I've never played the full version of the cassette version. I presume it's got a multi-load the same, but it takes a lot longer between each section. But yeah, 9 out of 10. Goodbye. And as promised, I'm going to see if I can find some of these characters. Frankenstein's cock. An old advert for Barclays Bank at the front. Here we go. Jack Black and his dog Silver in The Mystery of the Disappearing Custard. Okay. Who the fuck are you looking at? An actual Universal Soldier ad. Soldier, whatever. 20 things you never knew about France. Fat slags. Yeah, that's fair enough. Yeah, I don't think these look funny. There's that little old man. Yeah. Oh, look at this old advert. Hi-Fi bargains. Philips CD player now under 80 quid. Portable CD players 59 quid. Lock up your hamsters. Dare the game of public humiliation. Brilliant. Talk crap and win a Sega Mega Drive. To be this good takes ages. To be this good takes Sega. Punt and Dennis. Lighthouse Experience. Good old 90s, eh? What else we got? The Sexist Sid. Or Sid the Sexist. The Modern Parents. Yeah. Various letters and adverts. Life-size inflatable sheet. What? Life-size inflatable sheet. $40.99. Okay. Billy the Fish. Gilbert Ratchet. Yeah, so I couldn't find any of the characters we just saw. Maybe they're featured within them stories, I don't know. But yeah, goodbye.